if you're in the awakening process. Then part of the path will involve solitude and aloneness. Sometimes for years at a time. Most people, if not all, go through periods of aloneness, and the less you resist this, the smoother your life goes. You will either be pulled there, because you voluntarily seek it, or you will be put there and resist it, but being alone is part of the process of awakening. And the ego will most probably have temper and tantrums, because it doesn't like it at all. It will most probably go into poor me mode at times, it will pity itself, curse the day it ventured on the spiritual path, and sometimes even threaten to end its life. The ego does not like being alone or in solitude. It craves distraction and entertainment, noise, doingness, etc., and being alone can trigger all kinds of ego responses, such as feeling sorry for yourself, being angry, feeling abandoned, and so on. You will most probably go through many times where you feel like you're the only one in this world that is alone, that everybody else gets to have fun and live happily ever after, but not you. You feel God is punishing and holding back, keeping you in suffering, and you feel hindered in your attempts to make your life work. That's what the ego feels, so there can be huge resistance to the aloneness the spiritual path sometimes requires. But once you have the awareness needed to see the blessing in it, everything changes, and you learn to use the time in solitude constructively. When you come into a higher knowing of yourself, when you begin to connect deeply with truth, the need for distractions naturally start to fall away, and even the will to be social, or engage in the outer life, is just not going to be there anymore for a while. Instead, you begin to enjoy being with yourself, in nature, and in solitude. This is one of the blessings, because once you come to this place in your process, other things will open up and follow.